Supersonic Soccer Box. A new miracle. You can use it everywhere. You have never seen something like the Soccer Box. And now I'm going to tell you how it works. Listen. The Soccer Box is from the outside just a normal box. When you're outside and have a space from 5 by 5 meters, you can put your soccer box on the ground, unlock the code and push the button. And then, the impossible will happen. Out of the box came a soccer field. This isn't just a normal soccer field. It's a soccer field like the ones you can find outside at the playing ground. But that is not everything. The field stands at poles. The pole stands in an angle of 35 degrees and not straight to the ground because then you need way too much space. Now only 5 or 5 meters. But how do you climb on the field? Because it is high and uphill. Now, I will tell you. There's an elevator in the middle. Everybody goes up, everybody steps out, the elevator goes a bit down and you are on the field. But then, the ball is kicked over. You have to go all the way down with the elevator and pick the ball up. And go back up. That takes way too long and is not handy. So, there is a kind of drone. The drone picks the ball up and brings it back to the field, so you can play ahead. When you are done with playing, everybody goes down with the elevator, you unlock the code, push the button, and in maximum minute everything is back in the box. And what do you think? Play everywhere soccer. On an unbelievable soccer field. Super clever. I'm going to show you how it works. Look. Amazing, right? Can be yours. A new way of playing soccer. Make sure you get one. It will help you with all your boredom. From now, playing soccer outside get a new direction. The new way of playing soccer.